She said, she'll take me anywhere, she'll take me anywhere, as long as she stays with me. She said, she'll take me anywhere, she'll take me anywhere, as long as I stay queen. Kiss, kiss, mother's lips, kiss, kiss, mother's lips, kiss, kiss, mother's lips, kiss, kiss, mother's lips, kiss, kiss, mother's lips. Hey, Mean Matt here, and welcome to another food review, and I'm doing Mr. Sub again, and I got two this time. Wow, that's warm. I got two this time. I'm going to review the chicken parmesan, and for a limited time, the Korean chicken, the Korean barbecue chicken, rather. So, let's see what this is first. Huh. That looks good. Alright. But before I get into that, just one more thing here. Let's do this. I got this small because it was less expensive in my opinion. And well, I got skipped. So, we're going to start off. Yeah, we got the chicken parmesan. Anyways, let's take a look. Oh, well, I got the bun open here. There's the chicken. The last time I got the chicken cordon bleu, yeah, whatever. I thought it looked a bit bigger. Well, I'll talk about that in a minute, because anyway, and now, for a limited time only, they have the Korean barbecue chicken, and right away, I'm not even going to open the bun. Yeah, I used a different bun this time, but you can see the chicken. It looks juicy. So, Korean chicken, kimchi, Korean barbecue sauce, white, like sub cheese, I'm not doing anything. So, and again, you can't see nothing here, but it looks a lot juicier. Like, here we go. Okay, so I've had better chicken parmesan sandwiches. It's not bad. Like, it's, I think once I kept going, it got a bit better. It still tastes good. I don't know what's going on with presentation. That shouldn't matter, but when you compare the chicken parmesan to this, you can see the chicken. By the way, this Korean barbecue chicken sub is a lot better. It's spicy, it's crunch, and I also got two different types of bread. Like, I got white bread for this, I got 12 grain I think for this. So, it doesn't matter. I mean, this is better, this is good. And maybe because I've also had Korean chicken lately, and this is not a disappointment. The chicken parmesan, it was good. I probably won't order it again. But anyways, there's another sub review from Mr. Sub. And yeah, talk to you later. Bye.
So you know that them cutting WCW was a long time coming. I don't think that's the case at all. If you look at some of his earlier interviews,